Greetings. The next item in our Familiarize Yourself with Degree Checkpoints is the EDD PhD timeline. These are the checkpoints you will encounter on your way to a doctoral degree in the College of Education. If you click on the link here, it will take you to the check sheet here. The first checkpoint is the advisory committee. That's typically done in semesters 2 through 4. You want to, once you've decided your research, you want to choose 3 grad faculty members that align with your research. Once you've established your committee, you will submit the form. The link is provided here, but the form is found on the grad school website. We'll go to the grad school website in just a minute to find all these forms, but let's go over the checkpoints first. Next step is the program of study, semesters 4 through 6. That will list all the classes that you intend to take, start to finish, for your degree. So when you're done, this program of study should exactly match your transcript. Once again, when you hit that checkpoint, you submit a form to the grad school. Third step is oral comprehensive exam. This is done after the written comprehensive exam. It is done with a 2-week advance notice to the grad school. Basically, you provide the details, the date, time, place of your oral comp exam. The academic advisor makes the announcement to the grad school. The grad school generates the form for this exam, and your committee signs off. So once that is done, typically the next item is application to candidacy. If you complete your prospectus defense, you may then apply for candidacy. Once again, it requires a form to the grad school, typically done in semesters 5 through 7. Last step is final dissertation defense. It's done during the term that you intend to graduate. But the first step is to actually apply for graduation in Athena. It's under the student tab and under the apply to graduate listing. Once again, this requires a form submitted to the grad school. You must announce your defense 2 weeks prior, and the academic advisor in your department will prepare your defense form in preparation for this. There again, the link to the grad school is provided. So if we go to the grad school, we will pull up their main menu. Once again, it's found under current students and then forms. It pulls up their entire form menu, and we're looking under the doctoral section for the EDD and PhD. For the advisory committee, form is here. Like we said, it's got 3 members. You fill out your personal information at the top, list your 3 members here. The grad coordinator signs off on it, and we submit it to the grad school. Program of study, we want the final program of study. The preliminary is for planning purposes only. Pull up the final program of study. Once again, it should match your transcript in Athena. You can use that for guidance. Personal information goes at the top. Course listings go here. Course number and prefix here. Hours listed, the grade you received, if you've taken the class, and then the term you took the class. If there are classes that you intend to take in the future, there would be no grade, but you would still list the term. Once again, it's signed off by all your committee members, and then the academic advisor arranges the grad coordinator signature, and it is submitted to the grad school on your behalf. Third step is oral comps. That form is generated from the grad school, so it does not show here. Fourth step is the application to candidacy. The form is shown here. If you list your personal information here, you sign it, list what type of, well, actually this, you check all of these things that are pertinent. So you check your the graduate record, making sure you have a GPA of 3.0 or above. that the written and oral comprehensive exams have been passed, that the prospectus has been approved, and that the residency requirement has been met. Once again, it requires the major professor's signature and the grad coordinator's signature, and then submission goes to the grad school. And last but not least, dissertation, final defense. Academic advisor completes this form on your behalf once you've made your announcement of your defense. But it looks like this. The person, you list the personal information at the top, 810, your title, your committee members. They approve your final defense, assuming everything goes well. List your IRB number. Like I said, there again, the academic advisor provides this, so you don't have to worry about it yet. And then the final oral defense and final examination, committee signs off on that. Grad coordinator signs as well, major professor signs again, and we submit to the grad school. On this one, there's actually a couple of explanation pages here in the middle, but this final page is the ETD page, which is the release options. In other words, do you want open and immediate access to your dissertation? Do you want UGA users only, or do you want a 2-year embargo? So you be thinking ahead of time on that, what type of exposure you want for your dissertation. So there we have it, the important degree checkpoints. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot.